Are you going to say something? You're trying so hard. Hi, cute boy. Hello. How are you? You're such a cute boy. You're kicking like crazy. Look how big you are. You're going to be 3 months in a few days. Such a big boy. Are you going to talk to me? Can you say something to me? Hi. Hello. Oh yeah, trying so hard. Trying so hard to talk to Mama. Are you going to say something? Are you going to say something? Hi. There's a good smile. Yeah. Are you going to talk? Oh, big yawns. Hello, are you going to say something to me? Are you going to say something to me? Yeah. I love you so much. Look at those cute smiles. Ooh. Yeah. You're such a cute boy. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.